Hey guys, Max Jeffy here, and today is finally the big day. That's right, I got The Bad Guys 2 on DVD. So here's Mr. Wolf, Mr. Piranha, Mr. Shark, Mr. Snake, Miss Tarantula. Includes the short Little Lies and Alibis. I can't wait to watch that short. Because, I've been scouting online for it. Here's the spine. And here's the back. Oh yeah, I remember that scene. Yeah. And here's the scene from the movie. There's Doom with Mr. Snake. There's Pigtail, Kitty and Doom. And oh yeah, the scene where Mr. Shark disguises himself as an Italian and he's covered by the 9.99 sticker. Which, yeah. Where's my flowers? Bread cappuccino. I remember that scene. Anyways. And rated PG, which contains mild violence, threat and rude humour. So yeah. So, let's get it unboxed. Now, I was going to unbox this along with I-Chew on Blu-ray, but I just thought, yeah, why not unbox it now? Because I don't really want to be unboxing it tomorrow because I would say that I got it yesterday because yeah, Jesus, my thumbs. I just need to find an opening. Hey, what do you know? That was easy. Man, I love sealed DVDs and sealed Blu-rays and VHS tapes. Now, I do have The Bad Guys 1 on DVD, but for some reason, I'm going to leave that movie alone for a bit because of personal reasons. Let me try and see if I can get it open. Sorry if I have to put the camera down for a bit, guys. It's just that I haven't brought my phone stand with me. You know, the one I got from the car boot. Not that black one I used, just the... you know, the white one. There we go. Guess I'm the first one to unbox this, guys. Can you believe it? Okay. Right, let's see what the DVD looks like. Shall we? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you finally have some artwork this time. And here's the climax scene where they jump onto the rocket. And where Misty believed the bad guys. And that scene was really good, guys. I love that scene. The rocket jump scene. Reminds me of Time Crisis. No, Time Crisis 2. That's it. Time Crisis 2. Where Ernesto Diaz falls into that nuclear satellite. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Lift off, and then Ernesto Diaz falls into that nuclear satellite thing in Neodyne Industries. Wouldn't it be great if DreamWorks made a Time Crisis movie? I mean, they made Bad Guys and Dogman, but I think they should make a Time Crisis movie. And here's my receipt. Claire served me today. Yeah, just like with the other DVDs I have. Sometimes like I get like certain people serving me. The DVD case is a bit rough, but it doesn't matter. So yeah. Wait, did this come in a recycle case? I'm gonna check. Nah, it didn't come in a recycle case. I think the recycle case thing is just getting a bit old, but yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing on the UK DVD of The Bad Guys 2. So yeah, bye. Take care.